This is Dominic's pasta room, which I am proud to introduce you. These are some cutters that have 3 cuts. They are independent cutters. You make a sheet. This is the area of my sheeters, from 22 centimeters to 40 centimeters. Quite large for a sheeter, and this is a pasta cooker. This is also a 400 sheeter with a wooden roller, which is quite rare in the pasta industry, to use a wood to make the pasta, the rolled pasta. This is a gnocchi machine, old, maybe 50 years old. This is a mixer that can mix this is Chinese concoction noodles, tortellini machine, a sheeter, lots of pasta trays, and this is a potato peeler. I know it's not much to do with pasta, but still, and this is oysters cleaner that will clean the. This is Now we start with the extruders. This is a TR110D, this is a TR95, this is a TR75, this is a ravioli machine, and this also is a ravioli machine. This is a Parmigiana D45, and this is a big extruder, the P6 double hopper. This is a ravioli machine. This is a pasta washing section. This is a big La Monferrina ravioli machine. This is a pasta machine, also La Monferrina, industrial size, and this is a La Monferrina P3. This is a ravioli Italg huge production ravioli machine. This is another P3. This is a Dolly pasta machine. This is a TR50. This is a TR70. This is a sheeter, Nina sheeter. This is a mixer, and this is also a mixer, Italian mixer, Avancini. This is a P Nuova pasta machine with all the accessories, a cutter, a mixer, and the dice, etc. This is a big sheeter, DEA sheeter. This is a Mexican tortilla pasta machine, tortilla machine, tortellini machine, also tortellini machine. This is an Agnelli industrial size. Raviolini and agnolotti machine, and here I have a lot of the dice that go in the machines, in the pasta extruders machines. Large selection, as you can see, very large selection. And this is some pasta cooker baskets and various parts for the. That's it. So call me with any question you may have, and I will answer any question regarding pasta.